it's Kerry and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to those of you who are new here. I normally post videos every Tuesday and every Friday, so please feel free to check out my other videos. Today's video is going to be another plus size haul, but this time on activewear. So as many of you will have seen or have noticed, I recently got a Peloton bike, which is brilliant by the way. I'm loving it still. And about a month in now, I think, since I've had it. But anyways, onto the haul. I have wanted to do this for quite a while and have a comparison between two activewear brands. So I bought a set each, one from, you know, my favourite Fabletics, and the other one from Hollister, another one of my favourites. But the Hollister one is actually their Gilly Hicks range, so I've never tried out any of their activewear before, and I wanted to do that. So let's open them up and have a look. So both of them, I will say, I got when they were having a sale, as I usually do because I'm quite a savvy shopper. So this one is from Fabletics. It's their Harlow range. It was meant to be £59 for the whole outfit, and I think it was £29.50, so half off. So I ordered some leggings and a matching sports bra to go with that. So these are the, like I say, the Harlow, I believe, the ultra high-waisted PureLuxe 7/8 leggings, which pretty much full-length leggings for me because I'm short ass. It is in their PureLuxe PureLuxe fabric, which I absolutely love because it's always soft. And these ones were in a XXL. I know on their own they're meant to be £72. So you know me, I like a bargain, so let's have a look. Hopefully these will feel as soft as I'm hoping they do. So it's kind of a leopard print, but leopard print on a multicoloured background of like pink and blue and purpley colours. So it is a nice leopard print. That's the back side, I think, or is it? Yes. So here we go, here's the front. So yeah, I will try those ones on. These don't have any pockets in, but that doesn't really bother me because I've got plenty of pairs with pockets in now. Let's see, normally they have one at the front. Yes, they do. So there's a tiny little pocket here at the front which goes on the inside of the waistband. So that's good. I will try those on. And then this bra top, like I say, is from that Harlow Halter Reversible sports bra. Didn't realise it was reversible. Good job. And normally this is £52. So, what size did I get this? I've got this is an XL. So at Fabletics I tend to go XXL on the bottom and XLs on the top. And I'm normally about size 18 on bottom and about 16 on top. Ooh. So I don't think they're, not sure they're meant to be the PureLuxe one. It doesn't feel like the PureLuxe fabric. It does feel like more of the fabric I'm used to in their sports bras. So this one again, matching. So we have the nice leopard print, and then because it is reversible, and this is a really pretty colour actually, this side. I was very tempted actually to go with a green set, but when I saw this one I was like, I quite like the green or the leopard print, and then as I found out today it's reversible. Obviously didn't pay much attention when I was picking this out. So anyway, this set was £29.50 in their sale, so their 50% off sale, which is great. So I will try that on momentarily and show you. So here's the first set from Fabletics. I thought I would come in here, it's a bit easier because I have a full length mirror in here. This is the sports bra. So it's a halter neck, definitely hasn't got the padding in it. It does fit really, really nicely, and I know that obviously I can wear this because it is a reversible one. I definitely got the right size, so I'm happy with this one. So this one was the XL. It fits really nicely, not too much back fat on this one, but as always, Fabletics always put the massive bloody label on it, which I will cut out because I won't be returning these. In fact, I don't think I've ever returned anything from Fabletics before. So anyway, on to the leggings. So these are the 7/8 leggings, and as you can tell, they come right down to the bottom on me. So even though these are supposed to be 7/8 lengths, because I'm only 5'4.5", they come down to just below my ankle, and again they feel lovely and soft. It does feel though, I mean, it's not really coming out on the camera, as though these leggings are slightly more faded than the top, but I think this is the first time I've actually got a matching top and bottoms from Fabletics, but you know, it's no biggie, is it really? But yeah, so these are really, really nice, and they're nice and soft and smooth, and these are the ultra high rise leggings even, and they do come up normally higher than what I normally get even. So normally it comes to around about my belly button, but that's not a problem because I actually prefer to have high rise when I'm on the Peloton. So they're fitting really nicely, there's no gapping at all. It's not like the Powell Hold ones, so they're not necessarily gonna suck you in, so they're super comfortable, really, really comfortable. So I shall look forward to working out in these, and very impressed with the quality, and yeah, I'm gonna keep these, let me think, at £29.50 for a whole set from Fabletics, when obviously I read the prices out of what they normally retail at just as on their own is pretty good. So I think this would normally cost in the region of about 120 quid for this outfit, and I got it for £29.50, so yay me. So next up we have the Gilly Hicks, and I think this was buy one get one 50% off. Let me just check how much I paid for it. £23.50 for this set. So this one was another sports bra, and then some high-rise shorty shorts. So I wanted to try these shorts for a while. Not sure how short they're actually going to come up on me, but I won't be wearing them outside, so it doesn't really matter. Let's have a look. Yeah, so these were the Gilly Hicks Go Recharge High Rise Shorty and the Sportlette, they're called. Right, so here I believe are the shorts. Again, another funky print. So in this one I went for the XXL. Actually really pretty, and it feels really soft actually, like the PureLuxe ones from Fabletics, and it's got pockets. Brilliant. So yes, we shall try those on. That does look a really funky print, so it's kind of like a peach and blue and pink, and they've got their little, I'm guessing this is maybe the little Gilly Hicks logo on the back there. I think that's kind of like, looks like a bit of like a winky face. So that's the shorts, and then the bra top I got in an XXL because I don't know how Gilly Hicks sizing. I'm guessing if it's anything like Hollister, I tend to go for the largest size I can get in anything, but like I said, this one was the XXL, and I think the shorts were XXL as well. So let's have a look. Right, so this is the sports bra, and it's padded, whereas the other one from Fabletics I don't think was a padded one. I can't feel any padding in it anyway, or is there? No, there's definitely no padding in that one. Again, really soft, and the same print. Like I say, it's got padding in it, and then at the back it's a crossed back one. So let's go try these on and see how they look. So here is the set from Gilly Hicks, and all I can say is they are super soft. They are even softer than the Fabletics PureLuxe range, which is their softest range. So Fabletics, you have serious competition in terms of softness, and so the pattern is gorgeous. I am in love with this set. The sports bra is lovely and soft as well. You've got the padding, and then you've got the slots down the side so that you can take the padding out if you want to do that. What I find with all of the sports bras that I've got padding in is that the paddings tend to kind of fold over or crumple up in the wash, so it's really handy to have the little slots down here to be able to kind of put your fingers in and manipulate it back into the right position for you. So I'm really happy with this one. It's got a nice soft sports band underneath. I do feel really supported. I did in the Fabletics one as well, probably more so than this one, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, the size on this is perfect, absolutely perfect for me on the top. And then going on to the shorts, these were the high rise again, go shorty shorts, and I am very impressed with these as well. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to avoid the line going across my wardrobes here so that you can see, but very happy with these, and they fit lovely. They don't feel too tight at all. They feel super comfortable. And again, we have the pockets on this side. Do we have pockets? Yes, we have pockets both sides on these. So in terms of scoring, I would actually give these, I'm going to say 10 out of 10. I think Gilly Hicks have rocked this, and the Fabletics one I would probably give an 8 out of 10, purely because the top and the bottom didn't seem to be the right colour, so the bottoms were faded a little, and just because these ones are a lot more comfortable. So I finally found some competition for Fabletics. I didn't think that was going to be possible, or I wasn't expecting that outcome at all. But yeah, Gilly Hicks, you rock. I am definitely going to be getting more of these. They'd had them in different colours as well, so again, I'll wait for a sale and get some more of these, but in different colours. There was a blue set that I'd been eyeing up with slightly longer shorts that were like the cycling shorts, so they would come down to my knees. I think even with these shorts, because they will cover the chub rub, I can quite happily wear these on underneath outfits in the summer as well, because they're nice and light. So I'll definitely be getting some more of these. Of course, I'll have to see how far they ride up when I'm on the bike or doing any other kind of exercise, but I am really happy. So who'd have thunk it, eh? Gilly Hicks better than Fabletics. Now that's a turn up for the books for me. I'm usually a die-hard Fabletics fan, but my head has been turned to Gilly Hicks now. So yes, there we have it. Very surprising result for me. I always thought I'd go for Fabletics more, but there we go. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also leave some comments below. Let me know which outfit you liked best, or if indeed you've got another athletics or athleisure activewear brand that you would like me to try that do cater for plus size. That would be great. I'm more than happy to try them out and review them on this channel. So yes, for now, that is it. Do please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.